A DAZ Install Manager file carries installation metadata for DAZ 3D content, the instructions that guide new models, textures, and scenes into your 3D content library. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install or troubleshoot these 3D content management files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized DIM file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. DIM files are installation manifest files for DAZ Install Manager, the content package manager for DAZ Studio 3D art software. They contain package metadata file lists, installation paths, and dependency information for managing DAZ 3D character model and scene content libraries. DAZ DIM files use an XML-based format, storing package identification product name file, manifest with sizes and checksums installation directory mappings and dependency references. They are processed by DAZ Install Manager to automate content installation and updates. The anticipated software for loading DIM is DAZ Studio, created by DAZ 3D. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows may detect the file type, but full interpretation requires catalog-aware applications. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your DIM file and click Open With. If DAZ Studio is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. If the DIM file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Now it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, installing content. Open DAZ Install Manager and ensure your DAZ account is connected. DIM files are processed automatically when you download content from the DAZ store. Click Install on queued packages, and DIM will place all files in the correct DAZ Studio content directories. Next, managing installed content. Use DAZ Install Manager's Installed tab to view all content installed via DIM packages. Uninstall specific packages by selecting them and clicking Uninstall. DIM tracks all installed files, allowing clean removal without leaving orphaned content in your DAZ library. Finally, troubleshooting installation. If DIM fails to install packages, verify your installation paths in Edit, then Preferences match your DAZ Studio content directories. Clear the DIM cache and re-download the package. Check the DIM log file for specific error messages about failed file operations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.